Hi guys, today I will be unboxing this Russel Hobbs blender or mixer. So I'll show you here. It says here Mix&Go steel. So it includes 2 dishwasher safe and BPA free 600 ml bottles and lids, powerful blades for crushing ice and frozen foods. So you can see here. So it comes with 2 years warranty, safe to use operation, 300 watts. Powerful motor, then ice crushing blades, and includes the 2 bottles with lids, as I told you earlier. Pink. So it's great for smoothies and shakes. So it's stainless steel base with 300 watt motor. So I'll open this now, so see what's inside. Okay. So it comes with this like a documentation, instructions and warranty. Let's open this, see a little bit what's inside. So some information how to use, then warranty conditions. Okay, so let's see here. The paper. So what is this? This is the, I think this is a blade. It comes with 2 bottles. Smooth. Still sticky. Yep, a nice bottle. Then the other one. And here is the blender. Let's put this back. Here. Okay, so here it is. So this is a power plug. Maybe you can try this out to see if the motor is working. Okay, I want to try this one without the food yet. So here is the blade, and I need to remove the lid on this plastic bottle. Then this one should attach here. Normally you can put the food here up to, I think up to 600 ml maximum. Then you can just put the cover. This is the blade, then blade is inside, then you can tighten. So once it's tight, then you can just put it in. So you can see here there's a mark here, 0 and 1. So this is the mark 0 where you place this arrow. Then you can twist that one and it starts turning the motor. So make sure it is fully locked because it is automatic on. So just plug the power. Okay, plug in. So now we have power. Then this one, this arrow to be on the 0. Push it in. Then turn. That's it. Once it finishes, you can just see it's automatic. When you release, it's opening right away. So it's off right away. So you can just remove it. Then it's blended. Then you can open the bottle again. Then it should be ready to drink once you have the food here. Put the cover back on. Okay, so that is very easy to use and very handy, but just be careful because it's automatic when you twist the bottle. Okay, that's it. So this is a Russel Hobbs mixer or Mix&Go steel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.